What if I told you that most people are wasting thousands of dollars every single year, without even realizing it, not on luxury cars, not on mansions, not even on vacations, but on small, normal, everyday things, the kind of purchases that feel harmless, the kind of purchases that feel justified, the kind of purchases that quietly drain your bank account month after month. And here's the scary part. Most of these expenses are socially accepted, normalized, even encouraged today. We're breaking down 15 things that are a complete waste of your money, and more importantly, what you should do instead. Stay until the end, because number 15 might be the one that costs people the most long-term. Let's get into it. Point 1. Extended warranties. You read at the checkout counter. You're buying a phone, a laptop, a TV, and the salesperson says, "Would you like to protect your purchase for just a small extra fee?" It sounds responsible, smart, safe, but here's the reality. Extended warranties are designed to make companies money, not save you money. Most electronics don't fail during the warranty window. And if they do, they usually fail within the manufacturer's original warranty period. Statistically, you're far more likely to never use it. Instead of buying extended warranties, put that money into a repair fund. Or simply rely on the product's standard coverage over time. Skipping these add-ons can save you hundreds, even thousands. Point 2. Bottled water. When you have safe tap water, if you live somewhere with safe drinking water, bottled water is one of the biggest money drains disguised as convenience. Think about it. You're paying for plastic, branding, transportation, marketing, and something you already have at home over a year. Buying bottled water regularly can cost hundreds of dollars. Instead, invest in a quality water filter. Use a reusable bottle. Save money every single week. You'll save cash and reduce waste at the same time. Point 3. Brand name medications. This one surprises a lot of people. Brand name medicine and generic medicine contain the same active ingredients, same dosage, same effectiveness. The difference, marketing. You're often paying double, sometimes triple, for a name, unless your doctor specifically recommends otherwise. Generic options are almost always the smarter financial move. Small savings per purchase, huge savings over years. Point 4. Trendy diet products. Fat-burning teas, detox juices, magic supplements. Quick fix pills. The weight loss industry is worth billions, and most of it runs on one thing: hope. Here's the truth. There is no magic shortcut. If a product promises extreme results with no effort, it's probably taking your money, not your fat. Instead of wasting money on trends, focus on whole foods. Drink water, walk daily, strength train, sleep properly. The boring basics work, the flashy shortcuts usually don't. Point 5. Daily coffee shop habit. Thanks to $5 coffee plan 5 days a week. That's $25 a week, over $1,200 per year for coffee. Now, is coffee bad? No, but the daily habit, that's where the leak happens. If you love coffee, buy quality beans, brew at home, upgrade your setup once, you can still enjoy great coffee, without funding a small fortune in lattes. Point 6. Fast fashion. You rarely wear cheap clothes. Feel like a bargain, until they shrink, they fade, they tear, or sit untouched in your closet. If you only wear something once or twice, it's not cheap. It's expensive per use. Instead, buy fewer pieces, choose better quality, focus on timeless basics. Cost per wear is what matters. A $100 jacket worn 100 times costs $1 per wear. A $20 shirt worn twice costs $10 per wear. Think long-term. Point 7. Lottery tickets. Let's be honest. You're not buying a lottery ticket as an investment. You're buying hope. And hope is expensive. The odds of winning are incredibly small. If you spend even $10 a week, that's $520 per year, over 10 years. $5, $200. Invested wisely, that could grow significantly. Occasional entertainment, fine, but consistent spending, that's money disappearing. Point 8. Gym memberships. You don't use this one hurts. Gyms profit from people who sign up, and don't show up. If you go regularly. Amazing. Worth it, but if you keep saying, "I'll start next week," avoid going, or haven't gone in months, you're repaying for guilt. There are free YouTube workouts, walking routines, bodyweight programs, resistance bands at home. Consistency matters more than location. 9. Constant phone upgrades every year. New camera, slightly faster chip, small design tweak. But does it change your life? Probably not. If your phone works well, upgrading annually is one of the most unnecessary expenses today. Keep your device 3 to 5 years, protect it with a good case, replace battery if needed. You'll save thousands over time. Point 10. Impulse online purchases, flash sales, limited time offers, only 2 left in stock. Urgency is a powerful sales tool, and it works. Before buying, wait 48 hours. If you still want it after 2 days, and it fits your budget, consider it. Most impulse purchases lose their appeal quickly. Self-control is wealth building in disguise. Point 11. High-interest credit card debt. This might be the most dangerous one. When you carry credit card debt at high interest rates, you're paying extra for things you already bought. A $1,000 purchase can become $1, $300, $1, $500, or more. Interest compounds, and it compounds fast. Instead, pay off balances aggressively. Avoid carrying debt when possible. Use cards for rewards, not borrowing. Interest payments build banks' wealth, not yours. Point 12. Pre-cut fruits and vegetables. Convenient. Yes, worth double the price. Usually not. You're paying for someone to cut something you could prepare in minutes. If time truly is limited, maybe occasionally, but regularly, that adds up fast. Learn basic prep skills, save money weekly. Point 13. Expensive cable packages, hundreds of channels, you watch 5. Traditional cable bundles are often overpriced compared to selective streaming services. Audit what you actually watch, cancel what you don't use. Subscriptions are silent budget killers, which brings us to something important. 14. Subscriptions you forgot about. Streaming apps, cloud storage, music services, premium upgrades, individually small, collectively massive. Many people pay for 5 to 10 subscriptions they barely use. Take 30 minutes, review bank statements, cancel unused services. This alone can free up serious money every month. Point 15. Over-the-top wedding extras. This is emotional. Weddings are special, memorable, important, but many couples go into debt for luxury decor, extravagant favors, designer details, social media aesthetics. The truth, most guests won't remember the centerpieces. Or the chair covers. Or the signature cocktail. They'll remember the energy, the love, the experience. Starting married life in debt. That's not romantic. Spend wisely, celebrate meaningfully, avoid unnecessary financial stress. Why this matters. Here's the bigger picture. Most people don't struggle financially because they buy one giant expensive thing. They struggle because of small, repeated leaks, daily habits, monthly subscriptions, automatic renewals, emotional purchases. It's death by 1,000 cuts. When you plug the leaks, you create margin, freedom, options, and options are power. What TODINSTEAD. Instead of wasting money, try this. Track every expense for 30 days, identify patterns, cut 2 to 3 unnecessary costs, redirect that money toward emergency savings, investments, debt payoff, skill building, business idea. Small changes, big long-term results. Here's something most people won't tell you. Wealth isn't built by extreme sacrifice. It's built by intentional spending. You can still enjoy life, drink coffee, buy nice things, travel, celebrate, but do it consciously, because every dollar you spend is a vote. A vote for comfort today, or freedom tomorrow. If this video helped you rethink your spending habits, hit the like button and subscribe for more content on smart money decisions. And in the comments, tell me which of these surprised you the most, or what's something you think is a total waste of money. I'll see you in the next video.